Now we're going to talk about page transitioning. So whenever you push a new page or you pop out an existing page, you get that beautiful transitioning animation. But what if you want to create a custom animation? In that case, you need to use a different class, not the material page route. So I have created an example for you. Let me show you. So I have total 3 pages here. My home page, second page, and third page. So whenever I'm pushing in second page, that page is coming from the right hand side. And when I'm popping out, that page is going back to the right hand side. But now I want to push that page from the bottom. For this, we need to use page route builder. And this page route builder takes a page builder. And this page builder takes a callback, which provides us context, animation, and secondary animation. Right? So here, what we are going to do, we are going to return the second page. But we haven't used any animation or secondary animation, which we have got from the page builder. Because this animation and secondary animation is responsible for animating the items which are present inside the second page. So we will talk about that later. So to animate the second page, we need to use transition builder, and this builder will provide us context, animation, and let me copy this one, secondary animation, and that child. So what is this child? So the page which you have provided here is the child here. So what I want to do, I want to push this page from the bottom. So in that case, I need to create a tween, and this tween will take a offset. So this tween, so the beginning would be 1. The offset we have provided here is basically the fraction of the screen. So 1 means whole page, right? So here the ending would be offset 0. The offset 0 means the whole page will end here, right? So in Flutter, we have a reverse, we can say reverse or invert graph. So this is the 0, 0, and this is where our x-axis grows, and this is where our y-axis grows, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to return a slight transition, right? So this transition requires us to pass animation. So we are going to pass that offset here, and we are going to pass the child here. Let me hot restart, or I think the hot reload will work. So as you can see, now the page is coming from the bottom. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.